Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what happens when you're asked to do a parallel parking on the road test and you get nervous. Let's see what happens. Now this person is trying to do a parallel parking. Watch this. This person is very close to the curb, almost going to hit the curb. Let's see what happens. Oh, there you go. They hit the curb and now they are trying to fix it. A lot of people think that they cannot fix it. If they go wrong, they can't fix it. But that's a myth. You are allowed to correct yourself if you don't get it right the first time. Sometimes some examiners are very patient. They'll give you 2 to 3 attempts. But try to get it right in the second attempt. Let's see what happens. Watch this. They were backing up, trying to adjust the steering wheel. They turned it in the wrong direction. Again, very close to the curb. They hit the curb this time. What do you think? Is that a fail on the road test? Has anyone failed because of this? Let me know through the comments. Now, this person is trying to go forward and trying to readjust. Now, look at the patience of the examiner. They must be really patient to let the driver try it one more time. So let's see what happens. They're trying to back up. They cut it too sharp this time. Let's see what happens. They're backing up fast. Oh my god. Oh, oops. They went up the curb. Oh my god. Now this for sure is a oh my god. I hope they don't hit the car in the front. Now this can't be a very dangerous situation, right? Now, they're very close. They're having difficulty parking it. I think they're trying to park it and, pull the handbrake and do all those things. But they're not able to get it in. The car's crooked. Let's see. The wheel is still turned, so the car's not going to come back straight. Okay. They keep hitting the curb. Hats off to the examiner. They're really nice. Very patient, very nice. Most examiners would just ask the driver to drive up, right? They will steer for the driver and they will ask them to drive out because this is a very tricky situation. What if the student gets nervous and hits on the accelerator? They can go bump into the car in front of them. So, but the examiner must be very alert and of course they are very patient. Okay, finally they got this. They got the car straight. Now they have to pull out. Let's see what they do when pulling out. They have indicated, okay, they're backing up. That's a good idea. Yeah, back up straight. Don't go too far back. Okay, now they're turning the steering wheel. Oh, still in the reverse gear. That is a very big mistake. That's a very big mistake. I hope they passed. Well, what do you think? Did the student pass or did they fail? I want to know what you think about this type of parking. Have you ever had difficulty parallel parking? Have you made these mistakes? Be honest. A lot of people make this mistake. I have taught so many drivers and, people get nervous and they make this mistake. It's okay to make mistakes, but you should know how to correct parallel parking. Now, if you haven't watched my parallel parking correction video, then make sure you hit this link here and watch the video. I will come back with more parallel parking techniques. So if you haven't subscribe to my channel yet, my friend, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you don't want to miss many important videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with another video.